Can I have my hand, buddy?
The whole country's watching Michigan now. It's a new day in this presidential campaign. If you haven't voted already,
What's up, little buddy?
find more people to vote for you.
I don't know what they look like.
Ah! Okay, you got quick reflexes.
We're gonna knock out ISIS fans. We're gonna win with our
I didn't think I had one.
We're gonna take care of our vets. We're gonna win with our vets.
I got one for the truck.
We're gonna win so much, and you're gonna be so proud.
His reflexes are surprisingly quick still.
Democrats also voting today in 2 states. I'm working as live team coverage. Ed Henry has a Democratic race. But we begin with Fox's Carl Cameron live as a real big fight. Carl.
Hi, Greta.
He just about went to sleep when I was at the vet.
Where the Trump water and Trump champagne will be served later this evening to the handful of guests, family, and friends that will be here. This is
Oh, wow.
Here,
and for Mr. Trump,
little stinker.
He doesn't know how to.
Retract them.
And the other cat, I think he won't play with him because he gets too rough and he doesn't know how to
Stop. Or
get his claws out. Gets them in and it's like digs. You want down? I think Ray's getting the car around. He's probably got to take a shower and stuff. I could have ran you home, but
Yeah.
him drive.
And in each case, Mr. Rubio and Kasich, it will be difficult for them to call tonight a big success if they don't get a place or a win somewhere.
He went out
For Kasich, he is yet to win a state. Marco
Yeah.
Rubio won one primary and one caucus, and he desperately needs to have a good showing tonight to set himself up for Florida a week from tonight, his home state.
Oh, Blacktop.
Just as is the case for John Kasich.
Wish I could have sprayed that
His home state
spray.
and a must-win for him.
Boy, it's-
Both of the winners take it all.
I honestly can't smell it.
Ray's gonna try it. I did in front of the stove. Guys coming. And I thought it was my,
Oh, now I smell it.
see how it's darker here and it's kind of,
Yeah.
put a film on it. And it's supposed to be safe. It's that stuff over there.
I regret using my foot. No.
He's wanting to play. He used to go after his shadow, remember that?
Oh, yeah.
This is his stuff, Alice.
Does my foot smell nice?
See, he wasn't playing like that very much before.
Like before, ow, I got here, or before?
No, before, until last week. But like I said, I was giving that immune stuff every day. I still think that helped him. I just hate to vet him. I even told him I would give it to him.
You got my toe. Little stinker. Stop it.
But hopefully, whatever, it just works its way out of the system.
Yeah.
I give him milk. Tried it. That's a good antidote.
I'm afraid I'm gonna lose a toe or two.
Blacktop. He's still in the shop yet, so
Yeah.
he's probably hunting for the key. I still think he got both keys. I mean, look, oops.
Oh.
Look at that. He gets right under my feet. See?
Tries to trip you.
Oh, I'm cooking and he's right there.
Kind of sounds like my dog. Hi, Cookie. Big and fluffy. No. So what was the flea pill called?
This stuff up here, don't. I would. Well, it didn't hurt the other animals.
Well, he might have had a
And
different.
it was just, well, it's just like people. Some people can take medicine, other people can't. Comforters or something.
We've used the liquid, and actually our dogs grew immune to that.
But this here, like I said, it
Cookie.
Cookie, stop it.
Meanie.
Like I said, the other calf was fine with it, but it's just like people
Baby.
that some of them can take stuff and not
Blacktop
understand.
baby. Meow.
I think Cookie gets jealous.
Yeah. Big ball fluff. Big ball fluff.
He told me he cut off the collar
Yeah.
and he